In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metamask to Binance Smart Chain, guiding you step by step through this process. This connection lets you easily manage and trade BNB and various tokens on the Binance Smart Chain with the convenience and security of Metamask. Let's jump into it. First, you're going to need to open your Metamask extension. If you haven't installed it yet, be sure to download it from the official Metamask site to avoid any security risks. With Metamask open, we're heading straight to the settings. You'll find settings at the bottom of the drop-down menu after clicking on your account icon in the top right corner. There, you'll navigate to the Networks tab and click on Add Network. This is where we'll input the essential details to connect your Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain. Having everything set up correctly will ensure that your transactions are smooth and efficient. Now we'll enter some crucial details. In the network name field, type in Binance Smart Chain. This name is more than just a label, it helps you remember which chain you are connected to, which is crucial since Metamask can handle multiple network connections. Next, you'll need the RPC URL. Enter this exactly as shown, https://bsc-dataseed.binance or glash. This URL is essentially a gateway for your wallet to interact with the Binance nodes. Moving along, you will enter 56 in the chain ID field. Each network has a unique chain ID, and using the correct one ensures that your transactions are broadcasted to the correct blockchain. For the symbol, just type BNB. This represents Binance Coin, the native token of the Binance Smart Chain. Last but not least, add the Block Explorer URL https://bscscan.com in the final field. The Block Explorer is a valuable tool for verifying transactions and exploring the blockchain. Once everything is typed in, go ahead and save your new network by clicking Save. After you've saved the Binance network, it's time to switch gears and head to your Binance account. Check out the wallet option at the top and proceed to withdraw. Here, you'll select BNB from your list of available assets. In the recipient address field, paste your newly configured Metamask BSC address. This address should start with a 0x, which is common for Ethereum compatible addresses. Make sure to choose BEP20 BSC as the network to confirm that you're using the Binance Smart Chain. Choosing the wrong network could result in lost tokens, so double check this to avoid any mishaps. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to transfer and then follow the prompts to confirm your transaction. The verification process might require a code sent to your phone or email for added security. Once completed, your BNB should appear in your Metamask under the Binance Smart Chain network. And there you have it, a smooth connection from Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain, opening up a world of decentralized finance possibilities.